back to Christy's cooking channel. Today I'm going to smoke and sear prime rib. Ideally, I'd let these rest a little bit longer, but for the video's sake, I'm going to go ahead and cut a piece off for Lloyd. And I left the fat on purpose because Lloyd actually likes the fat, so I try to cut it so he don't have to chew for an hour.
All right, guys. take a bite of this steak here.
What you dipping it in?
That's some Christie's homemade horseradish sauce right there. Get it all goobered up real good.
I got a big bite, didn't I?
Oh my God, that is delicious. That is beyond delicious. I don't even know what to say. I mean, there ain't enough words in the English dictionary to even damn describe that right there. Man, oh man, oh man. That steak is so tender. First of all, you could cut it with a fork, but it's so tender, it's more tender than a mother's love. It's delicious. God almighty, it's good. Guys, I'm gonna tell you right now, a steak like that makes me happier than a 9-dick dog in a kennel full of bitches.
9? Wow.
Man, that's good. I eat that horseradish sauce by itself. Matter of fact, I think I will take a bite up. It's almost as good as this Colorado Kool-Aid. Which I'm gonna take a swig right now. Thank you, Christy. Man, that's good.